Hi everyone, this is Forrest, Track Toys. I'm going to show you how to install the luggage carrier on this Goldwing. Okay, I know that there are no instructions besides just the Honda line instructions for the OEM carrier. This is basically the same unit. It's only cheaper. I bought it off of Amazon for like half the price. And I'm going to take it back off and show you how to install it. It's as simple as you think it is. So let's do it. Okay, this is the contents of the box. Now you have your 4 screws, and the screws are 2 short and 2 long. Then you have these spacers, and you have these rubber spacers, and 2 of them are still in here. Alright. Then you have these other spacers here. Your cover, you have 2 covers, 4 washers, and 2 short and 2 long spacers. Okay? Then of course you have the main part. Alright? Now, in order to do this job, all you really need is a 6mm Allen tool, and for those guys with backrest, you might want to use this same size. And I had a little trouble with mine, so you might need an awl to line up your holes because you can't see them, so you might have to use this to line up the bolt to go into the bolt hole. Okay, and the other thing for the rubber parts, you might need the WD-40 or any other kind of lube you want to use to make your covers go in a little easier. Okay, well, let's get started. Alright, now you start with this right here. Now you have these 2 covers. I basically just take them out like that. I'll take those off. Now you'll see in here there's 2 bolt holes on each side. See? And those are where your bolts are going to be going to. Alright. So, first thing we do, these 2 right here, take these. Just going to place them up here. And you have these 2 long and 2 short. The short ones go in the front. That, place them over the bolt holes like that. And the long ones go in the back. You have a slight slope here, so it's trying to even it out. Then you match these up like a puzzle to the contours. This. And That's kind of where the WD-40 comes into play. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, kind of give them a little shot right there. Like so. Notice how you have a tall and a short on each side. So make sure that the short faces front. Like that. Okay, just line up over these spacers. And pop them in. Like that. You might have a little curling there, but can't see it underneath the deal. But once it warms up, it'll eventually lay back down. Okay. I'll take these washers, place them on there like that. All right, there you go. Now we're ready for the next step. All right, now on this part, these little bushings here, they go in these little holes. All right, basically just push them in, but you need two hands. So I had to put the camera down, push them in there. So we're basically ready to put this on. Take two of these. Yeah. Now we got the guide spacers in there. Ready for the bolts. Remember their Allen head. Okay. And like I said, I have to line them up a little bit. Yeah. Lifting it up usually helps get it in there right. And now you're ready to tighten it down. tighten them down all the way yet. And have to use this for the front ones. Test to make sure none of them pop out. And we're ready to tighten them all down. Now you see why we had to use this, because this kind of obstructs your ability to use any kind of straight tool. Okay, there you go. Now we have these two covers. These may give you a little trouble, especially this part right here. So spray a little WD-40. Yeah. You always clean up later. Just pop in that. And there you go. There you go, finished product. Now, note of caution, this scratches real easy. So be careful when you're putting it on. And it's kind of a matte colored black. So it's pretty simple. So now you have instructions on how to install the rear carrier on a 22 Goldwing, or any year for that matter, 2018 and up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, or whatever you want to do. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.